Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today, I am going to show you how to make Bahamian Conch Fritters. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Ingredients I will be using for today's recipe: chopped celery, onion, bell pepper, thyme, complete seasoning, Maggie cube, baking powder, pepper flake, salt, flour, and of course conch. Now I am going to combine everything together in the bowl. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Mix everything well as you go. Now I'm going to add water. Make sure you mix your batter nice and well. And you don't want to add too much water, so take it slowly, okay? And it's always good to taste as you go. Remember to check the description below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. Look at that chunky conch in that batter, because you know we love to have it in every bite. Okay, let's get those fritters ready. The oil is nice and hot and you can use any oil of your choice. I'm going to reduce the heat so the fritters can cook evenly. And you can also decide the size of your fritters until nice and golden brown, or how you like it. Alright, we almost there. Now I'm going to make the sauce for the fritters. All you will need is 2 ingredients, ketchup and mayo. Mix well together until nice and smooth. Drizzle the sauce on top, or you can have it on the side and add a little parsley for garnishing. Thank you everyone for your precious time. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibes.